and welcome to my channel. Today I've done it again. I've done a DIY. And this time it was less infuriating for myself than my last DIY because I used a glue gun this time, so there were no tiny threads and needles to work with. Really helps matters. But yeah, either way, I did this earring, which I really actually like how this turned out because I used really glittery rhinestones, and I'm like a magpie. I like when something glitters and shimmers, I really like it. So yeah, that's the thing apparently. But anyway, yeah, it's really easy to do. You just need a glue gun, some rhinestones, glitter, stuff like that. And also I made this in a way that I can stuff it in a tunnel. However, if you don't have stretched ears, you can just use a regular, you know, piercing, like just normal hoop thingy to put in there, obviously. Just wear it in a regular ear hole, earlobe hole. You get the point. But yeah, anyway, let's get started. What I'm gonna start out with is obviously creating the snowflake slash star. I'm just going to call it a star from now on. I really wasn't sure what I was going for in the beginning. But anyway, I'm just using a glue gun to first start out where I want the earring piece to be. And then I'm also marking the center. So at this point you're going to decide how big you want the thing to be. So, you know, don't make it bigger or smaller than you want. And then because I'm not very good at symmetry, I'm just going to pretty much do it a mathematical way, I suppose. I'm just going to do the base first and then add in the other legs of the star. As with most things in nature, this doesn't need to be completely perfect. Just make it this, you know, whatever shape you want it to be, really. Also, what I use as a backdrop is baking paper. That's just a really very useful thing to use for the glue gun glue. Because once the glue dries, you can actually, well, cools down, I should say, you can just peel it off easily. Don't do this on paper or anything, because you'll be left with lots of paper on the back of your earring. Then while the glue is still dry, I'm adding heaps of glitter. You can use any color you want. I went for a white glitter with a slight green tinge to it. I think it's very pretty. So I just smacked it on there, then carefully press it on so it really grabs onto the glue. And then the excess glitter I wipe away with a fan brush. To be reused. I tried to put most of it back in the bottle, and some of it, unsurprisingly, ended up on my floor, but was new. My floor will be forever covered in glitter. But yeah, once it's done, I'm grabbing the glue gun again. And now I've pulled you up a little bit closer, and I'm going to add the rhinestones. I really try to make very tiny dots of glue and get as little excess, like those little strings, as possible. However, you will get the strings because those strings are just a part of working with a glue gun. You can just pull them off later. But yeah, I'm just carefully putting on the rhinestones. These are the glass ones. They're very pretty. They're prettier than the plastic ones I usually use on my nail art. I think they're the SS10. I got them off eBay. Very cheap, but they're really gorgeous. So yeah, just add however many you want. And then lastly, it's time to put in a piece of metal to put it in an earring. Like I said, I'm using a straight bar so I can put it in my tunnels. But alternatively, if you have normal earlobes, you can just, you know, use a regular hoop thingy. That's probably not the official name. But anyway, this is how it looks. And yeah, that's the final result. I gotta say, it has worked out a lot better than some of my other DIYs. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Yeah, if you did, please click the like button. It would really help me out. And if you want to, you can also subscribe to my channel. By the way, if you want to see more DIYs of me, you can always ask me to do certain stuff. Just be warned that if it's very complicated, it might turn into not a tutorial, but a fill video instead. That's always a risk. But yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!